So, because today on the radio you mentioned a zinc, nano-coated zinc plate and a non-coated zinc plate. Was that a heavier zinc oxide that would be produced if you used a magnesium salt?
Yes, you produce different zinc, yes.
So that was the heavier zinc that you talked about as opposed to the nano copper plate and a zinc.
No. The understanding has to be clear. When you nano coat zinc plate, you create a freer field strength that it can go further. When you have if you put two zinc plates together in the salt, yeah, the field is not free, it's a molecular. When you nano coat one, now you freed 30, 40, 50,000 layers further than it is, that you open the expansion of the fields. Now it reaches 20 meters. Before, as a molecular structure, only reached 2 meters. You understand? So when you put a nano-coated material, you expand the fields. That's all you do. So when you put a nano-coated zinc with a zinc, now you dictate, this is what I want. This is a magnetic field I want. This is what I keep on saying in all the teachings. Man, for the first time, has managed to make the magnet of any entity. This is what you are doing. You create a free plasmatic magnetic field of the zinc. Now I can pull. What does it do? It pulls from the other plate which is not nano-coated. And as it come towards it to find its balance, now in atomic molecular structure, comes in touch with the oxygen, you get zinc oxide at the bottom. Go back to all the teaching which we've done. We keep on saying, now maybe you understand. Man's knowledge now is that you can create magnet for anything. It's not that you're going to go create a magnet. Now you can free the magnet, which is the atomic structure, molecular structure, into atomic, that now the field expands. This is your magnet. And what do? The other plate has zinc on it. Now it says, come darling, I can take you. And as it comes, separates atomic by atomic with the pull of the field on this side, in the passage to the wall on the nano-coated side, it becomes in touch with this oxygen which is coming at the gas level from the upper atmosphere of the plate or the liquid. It becomes zinc oxide. It finds stability, it gets heavy. It cannot carry on. Now is something else. So it lands to the bottom. That's why you get the zinc oxide. This is what the true knowledge is. This is when I tell you, we have now the knowledge you can make magnets of anything. You just don't go and make a magnet of it. You free the plasma of it. Now it has attraction field further distance. Now if you take that CO2 or zinc oxide at the bottom of it and you put it in another container and then another zinc, now you can create the zinc which is within the atmosphere of the Earth, coming from outside the planet. If you try in United States and put a zinc nano ratio of 2:1 and say, I'm not producing anything. And then the guy in Saudi Arabia, Keshe Foundation, says, I'm producing a lot of zinc here. It's a very good system I found. Because there is no zinc in the environment of where you are. Because now when you produce GANs of plasma of the zinc, it has to come from the universe. It's the most purest. It doesn't come from the matter state. Now it's the same as the amino acid. That's what you need for your systems when you deal with the health section. Understand the process.